What's the meaning of Bosnia and Herzegovina? Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia and Herzegovina.
Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia and Herzegovina. Bosnia and Herzegovina is a country located in southeastern Europe, bordering Croatia to the north and west, Serbia to the east, and Montenegro to the southeast. The name Bosnia comes from the Bosna River, while Herzegovina is named after the region's governor, Stepan Vučić Kosaka, who was given the title of Herzeg, Duke, by the Emperor of the Holy Roman Empire. The country has a diverse population, with Bosniaks, Croats, and Serbs being the three main ethnic groups. Bosnia and Herzegovina has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from Eastern and Western civilizations, and is a popular tourist destination for its beautiful landscapes and historic landmarks.